Welcome to online study in Sri Digambar Institute of Technology, Bandaraj Mode, Tosa. This is JP Yadav from Electrical Department. Topic is antenna. In previous sections, we will discuss about different types of antenna, working of antenna, application of antenna. So the Hertz dipole antenna. Now we will discuss about it. The Hertzian dipole is a linear antenna which is much shorter than the free space wavelength. For our purpose, we can treat this as a wire of infinite length d carrying a current I t equals to I node cos omega t. We can written as I node e की power j omega t. So the dipole is a straight wire antenna which have carrying current I equals to I node e की power j omega t. In 1887, Hertz used a sub-wavelength antenna to generate and detect radio waves. The first wireless broadcast, it is considered that first experimental proof of Maxwell equations. Asked about the transfications of these discoveries, Hertz replied, "Nothing, I guess." It's a statement of Hertz. Hertz dipole coordinate system. So in figure, the coordinate system of Hertz dipole. To this problem, we use spherical coordinate system. The small antenna is located at the origin and oriented along the z-axis. Spherical coordinates, this point is both xyz and r theta phi. Spherical coordinates point along the radial and azimuth angle theta direction. The field must obey Maxwell's equation in impedance space everywhere outside of the wire. The field of Hertz dipole antenna. The resulting electric and magnetic fields are, we can write the electric field equation and magnetic field equation for Hertz dipole antenna. So electric field equation are E r theta t in terms of, so we can write it nu 0 omega square I naught t upon 4 pi c 0 into 2 cos theta into 1 upon k node r square minus 1 upon k node r cube r k plus sin theta into j upon k node r plus 1 upon k node r square minus j upon k node r का cube theta k e की power minus j k node r e की power j omega t. So this is the electric field equation, and what is the magnetic field equation is nu node omega square I node t 4 pi c node square sin theta into j upon k node r plus 1 upon k node r का whole square theta k e की power minus j k r e की power j omega t. Complicated expression, but we can gain physical insight by looking at limited cases. The near field of a Hertz dipole antenna is, the properties of these fields are quite different if you are near the antenna or far from it. First limiting case, very near the antenna, so cannot or very less than 1. First limiting case, very near the antenna, so cannot or is very less than 1. In this case, the 1 upon r cube terms are the only ones that matter in the electric field expression. Also, e की power j k node r is about 1. E vector equals to I naught to d upon j omega epsilon naught for pi r cube into 2 cos theta r k plus sin theta theta k into e की power j omega t. To interpret the meaning of this, recall that the change of a conductor is related to the current according to it equals to dq upon dt. The near field of a Hertz dipole antenna is. The properties of these fields are quite different if you are near the antenna or far from it. First limiting case, we understand it k node r very less than 1. In this case, E equals to like that equation and it equals to dq upon dt. So the near field of a Hertz dipole antenna is E. We can write it E in terms of r theta t equals to qd upon epsilon node 4 pi r cube 2 cos theta r k plus sin theta theta k v की power j omega t. This is exactly the same result as one find for the field of a simple static dipole. Two charges of opposite sign separated by distance d, except for the time dependence. For the magnetic field, with the same approximation, we find B magnetic field r theta t in terms is theta cap nu naught I naught t upon 4 pi r squared sin theta की power j omega t. So in figure, in the magnetic lines pales from plus to minus. Which is the same result for one find for the static magnetic field for a current element I naught t. The near field is the QC static regime very close to the antenna. The electric and magnetic fields are the same as what one find a electrostatics, except that they oscillate in magnitude according to e की power j omega t. Thus the near field are called QC static fields. Exploiting near field interaction is important in proximity sensors such as the touch screen on our phone or tablets. The near field is not radiations. Electric field in terms of r theta t is qd upon epsilon naught 4 pi r cube into 2 cos theta r k plus sin theta theta t e की power j omega t. This is a radially directed field components like that. To positive charge plus minus and magnetic fields are plus to minus. And r cap and theta cap are that. But we know that electromagnetic radiation cannot have a component pointing along the propagation direction. Radiation is I cap. Therefore, this approximation near field expression cannot be describing the radiated field. To describe the radiated field, we need to consider what is happening far away from antenna. The near-far field of a Hertz dipole antenna is, for other limiting case, k node are very greater than 1 far away. In this case, the 1 upon r terms are the only ones and matter also. Exp e power j k node r is not longer equal to 1. So, electric field is j nu node omega I node d upon 4 pi sin theta e power minus j k node r plus e power j omega t upon r into theta k, and b factor r's in terms of r theta t j nu node omega I node d 4 pi c node sin theta into e power minus j k node r plus j omega t upon r phi k. These have the form of propagating electromagnetic waves with spherical wave front. They satisfy electric field equals to b upon c, and both are perpendicular to k vector equals to k node r. So these are the Hertz dipole antenna. Properties of Hertz dipole antennas: near field, far field of electric and magnetic field of these antennas. So Hertz dipole antenna is the coordinated system. Electric and magnetic field equation of Hertz dipole antenna, near field and their equation of near far field, near field equation of Hertz dipole antenna. And far field of Hertz dipole antenna. These are the equation of electric and magnetic field of far field. So it's Hertz dipole antenna. Thanks to all for watching this video.